Welcome to another Oration short. In this video, I will demonstrate how Oration converses with a caller using natural language to handle a complaint. Oration captures the details, empathises with the caller, and then organises for a replacement item to be couriered.
Welcome to Hail and Rains. I'm an AI agent. How may I help you today?
Yeah, look, I've just received my last order and one of the items is damaged.
I can definitely help you with that. To get started, I'll just need to identify and verify you. Would that be okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Please say your customer number.
HB4567.
Thanks. I've sent you a 6-digit one-time PIN by text. It should arrive in just a moment. Please read out the one-time PIN that you have received.
035497.
Fantastic. Thanks for that, Simon. Now, to help you with the damaged item, could you please tell me the order number?
Look, I don't know it.
Okay, I found your last order, number 6954. Is that the one you're calling about?
Yes, it is.
Great. I see that order 6954 includes a suit and a casual linen shirt. Which of these items is damaged?
It was the linen shirt. It was missing 4 buttons.
Oh dear, missing buttons on a brand new shirt is certainly not what we want. I can definitely help you get a replacement for that damaged linen shirt. To do so, I'll just need you to provide a photo of the damaged item first. Would you be able to send that through now?
Yes, I can.
Great, I will send you a text and it will guide you through the process. When you get the message, click on the link to take the photo, but don't hang up on this call.
The caller gets the SMS and clicks the link to open the web form in the browser. Now, the caller can easily provide the requested information.
Thanks, I've got your photo. I have organised for a new linen shirt to be couriered to you. It will arrive within 24 hours. Please give the damaged item to the courier when they deliver the new one. Apologies for any inconvenience this has caused. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's perfect. Thank you.
Thanks for calling Hail and Rains. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Please reach out if you would like to schedule a demonstration customized to your specific use cases. Thanks for watching.